Hello guys, welcome to another Python video. In this video, we're going to install Jupyter, but we're going to do that using a navigator or software distribution platform called Anaconda. So this is basically used for distributing software on your computer. As you can see, it has a learning page here. You can go and check out the environments, and also at the home you can see your applications and the application that can be launched through this distributor. We have a few here like PyCharm, Jupyter, Jupyter Lab, and all of that. But we're interested in Jupyter right now. So first of all, we need to go and download this application. So we come to anaconda.com/download. We can either enter an email and get a link, or we can skip it. There was a skip button, like link at the below of the submit, and then you can see all the different versions for Windows, Mac, and Linux. And yep, there's one for Windows, so we're gonna download it. I'm running on Windows, so that's what we're gonna do. If you're on Mac or Linux, you can choose any one of these that applies to your system. And after downloading it, it's just we need to follow the setup wizard, complete it, install the software, and after that we can go ahead and launch it. It's a web-based, so it'll get launched to your browser, whatever you're using, Safari or Chrome or Edge, maybe. Mostly I use Chrome these days. Still downloading. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna click on it. And yep, it's running. This is the setup wizard. So next, I agree. This is up to you. I'm gonna have it just me. And the location, it'll be here. Okay. I had it this before. I uninstalled it, but apparently all the packages were not uninstalled. So I'm gonna choose, yeah. Package are still there. So I'm gonna use a different location. I'm gonna call it just Anaconda. Then next, so I want to definitely create a shortcut. I don't want to do environment. Nope, none of these. This is up to you, whichever you prefer. If you want Anaconda to be used as your main Python entry point, you can select this and do it, but I'm not going to do that because I have PyCharm. I want to keep them separate. All right, now we just need to wait till this finishes. All right, this seems done. Everything installed. I'm gonna go ahead and click on next. All right. Next. Finish. All right, great. So let's go and open it up. Should have opened, but let's just go and do it ourselves. So I'm gonna search for it. Anaconda Navigator. Just wait a few seconds. All right, I'm gonna do it again. Didn't open the first time. Yeah, okay. Finally opened. We have it here. As you can see, we want to go to Jupyter and launch it from here. There's also other stuff like Oracle, VS Code. Let's leave it for now. All right, launch. Probably shouldn't have clicked twice. It'll open twice, but it's okay. Go. Let's go to the Chrome. Yep, it's here. I'm gonna close this, open. All right, so this is my system right now. This is my computer. You can see it. I'm gonna go to desktop. All right, let's go to desktop here. I had a Jupyter folder before. I'm gonna create a new one. New folder. Jupyter 2. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna create new notebook. This will be where we're gonna use Jupyter. So I'm gonna use the kernel. Python 3 would do it. I wanna name it. This is for first application, so we're gonna call it Hello World. Keep the tradition. All right, just gonna print. This is Python. Hello World. And we're gonna go up there, run, and it'll get printed. As soon as we click on one, a new one of these would get populate down there. We can add a few more. We can delete it. We can add below. We can add from the top of it. If you wanna see all the useful shortcuts, you can come to help and go to help and go to shortcuts. You can see all the different shortcuts. It's pretty useful to do that, especially if you work on Jupyter for a long time. It'll help to familiarize yourself with all the different shortcuts. It'll make it way faster for you to code. So that is it. This is keyboard shortcuts, and we have our Jupyter up and running. There's other ways to get the Jupyter, but this is the fastest and the best way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please give me a like, subscribe, or comment below, and also check out my other videos. And till the next time, have a good time.